Hello and welcome back to my channel Code with Abhi. Today we are going to create Google login with our FlutterFlow. So first of all we will go to FlutterFlow web and create a new project. Give the project name and the package name. Once that is done, click on start building. Now go in settings, Firebase, and also open firebase.google.com and create new project there. Once that project is created, click on create project. Once that is created, go to users and permissions and add Firebase at flutterflow.io as the editor. Build and click Firestore database. Now again go to build and select storage. Click on get started, next, and done. Once both these things are done, go to again build authentication. Click on the sign in method there. Select Google, enable, and select the email ID. Okay. Now go to project settings, copy the project ID and go to our FlutterFlow app. Click on the Firebase, connect, and click on the shipping kind of icon. Create new pages. It will ask for new pages to create. Logged in page and login page. So currently I have created two pages, login and home page. And make sure you have enabled authentication and create user collection. Now click on the deploy and start building. Now again generate the config files and again click on the Firebase storage deploy. Okay. Once that is done, go to authentication. No. We are going to use a default page from the FlutterFlow and I'm going to delete the login page which I have created just now. And again I need to go to the settings, authentication, and select the auth one as the entry page. Okay, now you see on continue with Google there is one action, auth, create account Google, and collection is users. Same in the sign in as well. Auth, Google, and sign in. Okay, now I will download the code and run the project. Once the project is running, you will need to get the SHA1 key using the command gradlew/signingreport. So once you get that key, you need to put it in the Android project settings. Error now here. Okay, so let's see what's there. I think Firestore database is giving the error. So let's go to our project again in the FlutterFlow and click on the connect and Firestore settings. Now here we need to validate the schema and deploy the Firestore rules. Once that is done, our login with Google should work fine. Let's see. Okay, so we are inside the page. Now I'm using the rich text and making like welcome and the name. So once we are logged in, it should show welcome and my name, which it took from the Google account. Okay. Let's see now. And again changing the page title to the home page. Running the app again now. Since I was logged in using Google, so it has shown like welcome Abhishek Jain, my name. Now I'm going to add a logout button. So I am using icons.logout and wrap it with an inkwell. On tap of that I am going to call a sign out function, which is given default from the Firebase auth thing. Let us just check the function. Auth manager. Okay. Auth manager dot sign out. I have to add a sync and await and remove the constant. So now my logout will be working. Again going to sign in with my Google account. Okay, now let's see my image as well as the name. Image.network, and I'm going to use the variables defined from the FlutterFlow itself. So I'm using current this photo. So it will show my photo. Now, if I want to show the email, I will use again the text and current user email. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. Abhishek from Code with Abhi.